I want to start our discussion with the X9 that was launched just earlier this year, a price tag of 359,000 yuan, thereabouts. But the point is that it's 7% cheaper than when you launched it at the Guangzhou Auto Show back in November. Why are you guys cutting prices? And give us a sense of what the pricing landscape is right now.
Well, first of all, this is the first time we announced the official pricing for X9. I think the pricing range is actually consistent with what we expected it before. The November number was actually indicative price for people to start the pre-order, but without the specifications, it's actually not an apple-to-apple comparison to the final price range that we just announced January 1st. But for X9, what we actually anticipate this to be a game changer for the BEV segment for MPVs, because I think it has very innovative technology and design, as well as superior handling, as well as our, obviously industry-leading smart driving technologies, all packed into a very beautifully designed product. We believe this could be the top seller in its category.
Want to get your take on deliveries in terms of visibility for the first quarter. It was a record fourth quarter, and that was a similar picture coming through from some of your competitors. Are you seeing any drag from the Chinese economy, and have you set any targets for 2024?
Well, I think that the NEV sector in China ended on a very high note, I would say, in the fourth quarter. If you look at the penetration rates, it approached 40% towards the end of this 2023, which is the high point that we have seen in the industry. And also in terms of delivery, not just industry, but if you just look at our delivery, our fourth quarter as well as our December delivery all topped our historical highs. The December numbers was almost 80% year-on-year increase. So all that points to a strong momentum. I think we continue to see a number of the catalysts that's propelling the growth of the new energy vehicle market, with obviously the technology, the product launches, as well as the continued conversion from ICEs to new energy vehicles. I would say 2024 will be a very competitive year with obviously a number of new models as well as new brands launching in this segment. But in order to be competitive, I think we still need to focus on differentiated and innovative technology, as well as maintaining a very strong cost competitive advantage with scale, as well as with technological innovations. So those are things that we're going to be focusing on in 2024 to drive our market share as well as our overall competitiveness.
Are you able to share a figure with us at all?
Well, we are, as a company, not providing guidance on annual basis. But what we will say is that we anticipate 2024 we will be growing much faster than the industry growth, which means that we're going to expand our market share. We also will be looking to increase our profit margin, both on the gross profit level as well as on the net income level, to increase profitability with obviously greater scale as well as better product mix. For example, X9, which will be a very high margin product for us with this new product launch.